Okay, so if I wanted to share this PowerPoint with you, or how I would turn this PowerPoint in if this was what I needed, you're going to go to Share, this yellow button right here. Click it. And at first it's going to say Restricted right here. Under Get Link, Restricted. We don't want it to be restricted. We're actually going to click this right here, Change Link to Emory Charter School. But we're going to go one step further. Instead of just leaving it at Emory Charter School, we're going to click it and go down to anyone with the link. Once you've done that, you can click Copy Link, and it'll copy your link. Click Done. Then we're going to go and say we wanted to turn in our notes for today. We would click Submit Assignment if this was the right notes. Instead of doing a file upload, we would do a text entry. And then you would paste your link right here and click space. And then your link is live, and click Submit Assignment. If you wanted to check the link, we can go to Submission Details to make sure it worked. Click the link, and it should bring up the assignment. So again, you go to Share, Get a Link, except it's going to say Restricted instead of Anyone. Change, anyone with the link, not just Emory Charter School. Anyone with the link, we need that checked. Click Done. Oh, sorry, you need to copy it. So copy link. It'll look like this. You'll click Copy right here, and then you'll paste it in the text box, click space, and then submit your notes that way. Okay, that should help.